here, doesn't it? When I look at it, it looks like white, but on the phone it looks blue. Interesting. There's the moon through my tree. Of course, you can't see any of the fireworks. You can only hear them. Oh, thanks. Air conditioning's come on at the neighbors. I think there's thunder in the air, too. Look at my little light down there. Not a single firework to be seen. I saw a green glow, which I believe came from my neighbor's place, but I never did actually see it. I've got all the lights on. Oh well. Like I said, you can hear it. And there's my little light. Ah well. As requested, Liz. Usually I walk around the neighborhood to see the fireworks. I'm too tired to do that tonight. See you in the morning. I believe that's some sort of a UFO. Oh, maybe an airplane. What do you think? Straight over my house. That's straight up. Not making a sound. I guess. All over. Huh. I believe that was a high-flying airplane that I was filming up there. Anyway, good night.